You don't measure that by statistics. It's immeasurable. When you see this run again, Phil Shane, in your statistics, you tell me, how do you measure somebody that could balance a balloon in a wind tunnel on a needle? Because Messi is capable of that.
¡Olé!
Messi, dos en el camino, sale Chumacero, también lo deja. Y el quinto, se viene la pulga, se le acabó la cancha. Estira la cancha, muchachos.
You know, he sees things that we don't see or wouldn't even consider, one, if it's possible, and even attempt them.
Now the mercurial Messi taking on all comers again. Gasps of admiration around this stadium when Messi was up to his tricks again.
Here's Messi though, and still completely outnumbered here, Paraguay. It's Di Maria again. That might just be game over. Messi had got away from almost the entire defence.
Oh, lovely
genius.
step over from Messi, and there's Griezmann, and look at the smile on his face. As you said quite right, you can have such a valuable player.
Messi getting away from Moravieta, looking to go all the way here. It's Messi! Good stop from Iraosos.
Has come to life. Oh, there it is.
Well, Messi's there. He's passed one again. Oh. He dances with the defender. Oh. He takes them all on. Stupendous from Messi. Just when they needed him.
It's not just the goal-scoring numbers, but it's the longevity. He's the best dribbler I've ever seen. He's the best passer I've ever seen. He scores as many goals as anyone I've ever seen.
They're teasing Espanyol here. This is outrageous from Lionel Messi. Outrageous from Messi. And whisked home by Suarez.
This is what Einstein called a spooky action over distance. That's what he was on about. Amazing. There's no statistics for this, Phil. You can imitate statistics, but you cannot imitate this. Fabulous from King Leo. How do you describe magic? How do you describe this? It's virtually impossible. Lionel says, nah, I fancy a little bit of Roman in the night. He picks one out of Riquelme's genius book.
This man still going. Look at him. You can't knock him over. They've worked it wide. And there was a good 10 seconds of Messi magic.
Messi harassed. Gets away from it.
Dribbles through, and with his right foot can't get it past Rico.
Sends his shadow the wrong way, Messi. Take a look at this. Skipping the light, fantastic. Riding his defenders like a fucking bronco. Turning the defenders into garden gnomes. And then the easiest part of the lot, he pulls it on, and the right foot, he gets underneath. The ball just steps up for him, and would have been a wonder goal from La Pulga Atomica. Oh.
Typical brave interception that from Puyol. Here's Messi running at the Atletico Madrid defence all the way! And we're only surprised that it didn't finish in the back of the net. Introverted off the pitch, but gloriously liberated on it, Lionel Messi.
As a total neutral, I'm so disappointed that didn't find its way into the back of the net. Messi at his very best, running at pace, keeps the ball so tight to his foot, easily goes past Uchvalusi, lifts it over the advancing keeper Coupe.
Messi gets on the ball. Pirouettes past one. Tips around two. Here comes the third. Through him. But alas for Lionel Messi.
Wonderful run.
He's old.
Here though, Rob, you've got to really match him for effort and work. And look at this run from Lionel Messi. This is more like vintage Messi now. Skips past three players. Look at the nutmegs. Well, there goes Messi again.
Hustled and harried by Bradley, but turning away almost miraculously and still in possession. How do you stop this fellow? Well, at this time, it's at the expense of a free kick on the edge of the box.
Messi. Off he goes. That's beautifully done from Messi. Oh, 4-0.
Four, but one of them is Messi. Gets around. Mireles tucks it in. Lifted by Di Maria. A masterpiece from Messi.
This is Messi trying to wriggle away through. It's a brilliant pass. Alcácer. 3-1.
Leo Messi, it's another brilliant challenge. He's still on the ball though. Suarez! Genius! That's the only word you can't use. They should name a constellation in the heavens after Lionel Messi. This run is uncontainable. His pass is unstoppable. Look at this, how far wide he gets it.
It's not the statistics. It's definitely not the statistics. And that's what we have to really, truly realise. That statistics are signposts for measuring achievements, absolutely. And we see great players achieve great statistics. And then there's the art of football, where there's something that you cannot put into it statistically. What is that? How do you measure the human heart? Through the eyes. What do you take from that sort of performance and again elaborate it over seasons, year in, year out, for club, for country? He is the greatest in my eyes that I've ever seen.
There's no time or space here for Messi. And it confused Einstein. It doesn't confuse Leo Messi. Sir Isaac Newton from up above looks down and says about that gravity thing, I was wrong. Messi was right. He teases gravity. This balance is astonishing. His feet are taken.
It's a Rakitic. Back to Messi. Oh, that is brilliant from Messi.
It's just like a clown's pocket, man. Just keeps pulling more and more stuff out of it.